Good morning. So today we are going to work on a live project which we have already executed in one of the institution called All India Institute of Speech and Hearing. It is in Mysore. So in All India Institute of Speech and Hearing, the children they will have the hearing impairedness, and they will be trained to learn along with this instruments they use like the hearing aid. So here we implemented augmented reality for children from the age of 3 to 6 years. And this has become a very successful project there. So I am going to share that project with you. So in this project what we did was, children were given subjects and they were asked to draw things. For example, they were asked to draw a sun, draw a ship, draw a car, draw a house. So they created drawings in a drawing book. And those drawings, when we are actually going to hold our mobile in front of the drawing, automatically the real object would pop up. And the children enjoyed it, seeing their drawing coming into life. So here we even added animation. So this entire project we are going to work. The project will be similar to the previous AR poster project, but the only difference here is we are not going to deal with just one image, we are going to deal with multiple images. So once you understand this concept, you can use this concept in any of your AR projects. So to begin with, I am going to show you all the pictures that the children had created for you. So we asked children to draw some 6 images. So we asked them to draw a sun. They created a sun like this. We asked them to draw a ship. They drawed the ship, forest, aeroplane, house, car. So they devised, they actually created these 6 drawings, and then we actually created one that is cover page for this. This was the cover page of this drawing book. Okay, so these drawings were asked for the children to create it. So I will also show you the video about how these drawings were done. Okay, you can see that. To create this drawing book, we just used a drawing book along with some sketch pens. If you doesn't have a drawing book, then no problem. You can just use regular plain white book, and in that, using red, blue and black pens, you can make the drawing and we can use that. Or you can draw it in white sheets, and after you draw it in the white sheets, you can just place them all together, or you can paste it in a notebook, and you can use that notebook as an AR book. So we have 6 sketches here. The first sketch is sun, house sketch. Then the third will be a shape. Then fourth will be a car picture. Fifth, forest picture. And finally, the sixth will be a plane. So to do these things, I'll just show you the video how this drawing was done. The first drawing that we are doing is of the drawing of the sun. This simple sun drawing is created using an orange sketch pen. And one thing you should remember is, once you do the drawing, add some lines or marks throughout the page so that the augmented reality lenses identifies it clearly. So just draw small lines like this throughout the page. Then you can see here, I'm just showing this in fast forward. So we are drawing this house picture. So this house picture is drawn, and keep in mind, when you are doing the drawing, cover the entire page with some lines or something, so that it will be easier for the augmented reality lens to identify it better. Now you can see the third image that we are drawing is a ship image. So now the next image that we are drawing is of the car. We are now drawing the car image here. Then the next image we are creating is a simple some trees and grasses we will create. We will create some grasses, draw some trees and create a forest environment. Then finally we are going to draw our sixth image, an aeroplane image. Okay, we are just going to draw a simple aeroplane drawing. And finally now draw all this image in one page, like we shall draw the forest grass here first, then we shall draw a house, then we shall draw the sun, then the car, the aeroplane, and we shall name this as AR book. We'll give it the name as AR book. So this will be used as the cover page. So here is our final book that has been created. The first is the cover page. So this is the cover page that has been created. Then the first image we are seeing here is the sun image. Then next when we open it, we are seeing the house image now. Then if we open the page with ship image, then we see a car image, then a forest image, and finally in the last page we have the aeroplane image. Okay, now we have completed the sketching part. Now the next thing is you take all these sketches in a scanner or in a camera, you take the images and convert all these sketches into a scanned image as a JPEG images. So what we are going to do is I will give you all these images as a resource for this project. You can download it from the resource section. You can download this from the team sharing that we are using. And after you download it, what you have to do is you have to take a printout of it, so that when you are using it with the mobile, you need the prints. You take the color print of these drawings and do the project. Or else you can create your own drawing, scan it, convert it to image, and then keep the printout and use it as the augmented reality target. So now once all these resources are ready, then we can start our work with our Unity building the augmented reality project. So here launch Unity. So once Unity is launched, so now come to new and we are going to create a new project. Let us call this project as AR book. Let us call it as AR capital book, and let us save it in M Satvik Unity projects, and this is a 3D project. Select this 3D project and click create. Now before we start, let us give a proper name for the sample scene here. For this, in asset, come to scene, select the sample screen, right click and choose rename. So let us rename this as, give it the name as now AR capital BOOK book underscore scene. So we have named this as AR book underscore scene. It will ask you whether you want to reload it. Click reload. So now your scene name is AR book underscore scene. This is the name of this project. So then go to file and choose save to save it. Now the next thing is, before we start, we want Vuforia to be present in our project. So for this, I have already uploaded in the resources folder this Vuforia package file also. So if you can download it, then you can go to assets, import package, click on custom package, and here actually now in Unity in Aish AR book, you have scanned the drawing book. Open this and select this add Vuforia package. Okay, this I have also uploaded it, or you can go to Vuforia site and download it. Okay, so select this and click open. So when you click open, it will ask for these things, and click all here and click import. So now wait till all the Vuforia packages are imported, and it will ask you whether you want to update it. Click update. So once you click update, so all your resources related to Vuforia will be imported into your project. Now you can see here the packages has been imported. So after we import the package, now go to file and choose save. Now after installing Vuforia, the next thing is come to file and choose build settings. And in build settings, since we are doing an augmented reality project, the build augmented reality is meant for Android or iOS platforms. So select Android platform here and click switch platform here to switch to Android platform. Right now you can see the Unity symbol in PC Mac. So this is in PC Mac platform. Now select Android and click switch platform. So it will import all the required scripts to switch to Android platform. After switching to Android platform, come to player setting, and here in the player setting, let us give the company name here. So type your company name or your individual name here. The project name is AR book, and leave all other settings as it is. So we are not going to touch this setting as of now. So now close this player settings window and close this build window also. So after this, now our next job is come to this AR book scene, open it, and you have your main camera. We are not going to use our main camera for augmented reality project. So just like in the last session, right click on this main camera and click delete. So we have removed the main camera. Now come to game object, and since Vuforia is installed, you will have a new menu here called Vuforia engine, and in Vuforia engine choose AR camera. So when you click on AR camera will be added over here. So we have made everything ready in Unity, and our next job is in the Vuforia website, where we have to upload target images and we have to download the database. So that we are going to do it in our next session. So right now here, go to file and choose save to save this project.